Or did you see the insane level quality in the preview of the anime clip and want to make it same like that in a mobile? So let's do it, brothers, together. And I will also teach you how to make the CC. If you want the CC, then just need to hit 100 likes and you will get it in the description or in the comment section or in my Telegram channel. So let's go ahead. Go for put brightness and contrast. You need to put a brightness and contrast. After that you put the brightness and contrast and put it 4. Done. After that you need to put what you know. You need to put teen. Just go for a teen. Oh no. Yeah, teen. Colorize. You just go for a colorize. Yeah. Again you go for a colorize, just go in the setting and just turn it to little bit in the yellow. Little bit. See where the yellow is? The little bit. Yeah, done. Your quality upgrade CC is done. So it's completely good now. See, from this to this. See. From blurry to this. From blurry to this. From blurry to this. It's good enough. You can make it more perfect because I make it fast. I will improve it in the CC when I will give after the like target get completed. So bye bye, tata, goodbye.